Menteri Bidipet ya ketenat boarding uiti mondal ulalek mi biang daladi kikam marmot ya kejengking hadam umyam bat ulalap bakikam kijam kila janda belut aro laino setangkat to kene kibadangsa bat ukarmen bakejengking an penyajno banyaj kikali kibawan marpersya na baro arliang jong kejengking hapo jong benai naitung mondal ulalek mi but Commissioner and Secretary Ketenat Boarding Sanjay Goyal Ubadairu Chairman ka Managing Director Jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Nalor uba Blooming Star Walang Director Generation ka MEPDCL but kiway ki Officer ka MEECL but kibriyo na ka Company ITD Cementation Umandal ulaong ba ukermen ba ang supply no banyaj kikali na baro arliang jong kejengking hapo jong uni ubenai naitung bat kiway kikam kibadangsa an pentrai klem dasya penwet namar kejengyat kikali langba gani kejengking shu menteri ula pentip bah kala sengi bulai kar pandai trigu naitung arjar arpsau kandon kejengya kendu jong high power committee ban shimrai habai dei bat kiriu sampang na IIT Guwahati DGP PWD bat ki Bor district na East Coast Hills district Baribhoy district. Mandal ulong bagi kaman barmot ya kejakaden ya kapung umyam lapentrai lang ba kadam rehabilitation and improvement projects.
We have started these DRIP programs, dam rehabilitation and improvement programs, on the midnight of 14 December, and we have almost completed every components. Some minor work is left. That will be continued, but that will not hamper the passing of traffic and all. So very soon the high power committee will sit on Monday and will fix the date for opening this bridge, and hopefully within this month we will open the bridge if everything goes well. And we have called our consultant IIT also to attend to the meeting, and so also the DGP, the PWD officials, and also the district administration from both sides, Khasi side and Riboy side. So we are hoping that without hampering the passage of traffic, the remaining minimal work will be continued. That's all.